That's Henry Oyama. He married a white woman, Mary Ann, in 1959, and his court case could have gone before the Supreme Court before Loving v. Virginia. It's Asian American Heritage Month, where I like to try to share Asian American history every single day this month. Henry Hank Oyama was born in Tucson, where his father passed away 5 months before he was born, and his mother, Mary, was born in Hawaii but grew up in Mexico, so her first language was Spanish. So he grew up like a Mexican American because he learned how to speak Spanish first. Then, after Pearl Harbor, he was sent with his mother and sister to America's concentration camps, then later joined the army where he told them he could speak fluent Spanish and was sent down to Panama area. Hank Oyama met Mary Ann Jordan through a friend at an event at the University of Arizona, and Mary Ann has moved to Tucson from New York. The two dated, fell in love, and that's where things got complicated. In 1959, the ACLU of Arizona was formed, and they asked if they could represent him on his case. He said yes. While there are no shortage of cases, mainly between white and Asian Americans, the problem was they could not find people that wanted to endure the time-consuming process to reach the Supreme Court. And Arizona's laws was unique as it would not recognize out-of-state interracial marriages. And they ended up winning in Superior Court, where they argued that it was against the First and 14th Amendment and two provisions of the state constitution. Then they ended up getting married 5 days later. The case was ready to go to the Supreme Court, but then the Arizona legislature repealed that anti-miscegenation law or anti-interracial law, and the case was now dismissed. As I've said before, and I'll say it again, history does not happen in a vacuum. There's often small events that lead up to the big event, and you don't hear about them. And it looked like America was primed to fight interracial marriage bans as soon as they could find the right case.